In this video, we will talk about how to set a game to high-performance Windows 11. Right-click on App or Game. Select Open File Location. Right-click on Address bar. Select Copy Address. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left, select System. Then Display. Scroll down. Select Graphics. In Add an App, select Add Desktop App. Click in Address bar. Right-click and select Paste. Press Enter. Select your games.exe file and click on Add. Once it's added, click on it and change GPU preference to high performance. So that's how you can set a game to high performance on Windows 11. See you in the next video.